Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Xiaomi Redmi 11 Pro. To do this we'll need to unlock our phone and locate gesture shortcuts, so they should be placed in settings, then on the bottom in additional settings, and here we have it. Now let's check how these features work. And first one is launch Google Assistant. Press and hold power button for half a second to call out the Google Assistant, and the feature works fine. Next is take screenshot. There's two options here: slide 3 fingers down and volume down plus power key to take a screenshot. Let's try this one. So it works fine, and this one also works fine. Now is a partial screenshot, it's the next option, so press and hold with 3 fingers onto the screen to make a partial screenshot. Works nice. Now launch a camera. There's two options here: double press the power button to turn on camera and double press volume down when the phone is locked to turn on camera. Let's try both of the features. This one works fine, and the volume button version only on lock screen. So, yep, it works nice. Next is torch. So double press the power button to turn on a torch or flashlight, however you call it. Enable the setting, and it replaces the camera. Double power button feature, and let's try to use it. Yep, it works nice. Last feature is double tap fingerprint sensor, which is located right here, to make one of these functions work. And in this case, let's go for Google Assistant and double tap on it. Works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.